Yasu! I want to hear you say Oppa while you do this dance workout. Have fun, put your own twist. We're going to start with 2 stomps and then slide. Ready? Here we go. 2 stomps. 1, 2, slide. Tap. Now 1 stomp. Hands follow the foot. Again. 2 stomps. Hands. Foot. 1, 2. Hey. Forward, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 3. Again, little hop. 1, 2, switch. Back. Take it back. Alright, walk it out. 1, behind, step, tap. 1, 2, 3. Walk it forward, go 1, 2, cross, 3, and back. Hey. Hey. Alright, 2 stomp. Slide. Hey. 1 stomp coming up. Hey. 2. Good. Hands follow the foot. Hey. 2. Yasu. Alright, walk it forward. Hop. Hey. Take it back. Cross. Forward, little bounce. Here, step, switch. Walk it back. Forward. Alright, nice. Here we go. Little break in action. Good job, you're doing great. Now we're going to step and tap behind, very simple. Step, tap, step, tap. Hey. Good look at that foot. Alright, ready? Here we go. We're going to come forward. Crossing, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, take it back. 3, forward, little hop, back and forth. Now as we come forward, go 1, 2, cross, turn your hips, now back. Good, again, forward, go. Behind. Woo. Good job.